Welcome to Melage. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to load and save projects in Melage software, a fundamental skill that enhances your workflow by efficiently managing your project. Let's start with an open project like this. You can see the name of the file already open labeled mri.nii.gz. To save this project, you can either click on Save from File, Save, or Save As in the toolbar, or clicking Save from here. That will quickly save your progress under the current project file name. If you choose Save As, you can specify a new file name and location for your project, which is useful for creating backup or a new version of your current project. Now let's look how to open a saved project. Before that, I'm going to close MRI from here to be sure that okay, I am in the current project, but I'm going to save another version of project that has been already saved. You can select, if you have many projects, you can select the project you wish to open. Here, core project. Opening this project allows me to load all the data associated with this project, regardless of any change made to the original MRI image or other kind of image that we have. This straightforward functionality allows Melage to effectively preserve your work and ensure you can return to it anytime, continuing exactly where you left off. This tutorial demonstrates the simple but a crucial task for saving and loading projects in Melage. These features help ensure that no part of your workflow is lost and that you can manage multiple projects effortlessly. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on using Melage to its full potential.